Hello guys, my name is Matthew, and in today's video I'm going to show you how you can play Travel Center Tycoon on your PC. For this particular task we are going to need Ldplayer. The link for the Ldplayer itself is underneath this video, so let's click on the link. And what we have to do is click on download the Ldplayer. Then we start installing it. Obviously we hit install, or you can just put it wherever you want to. You hit agree, reject, and wait till the installation is completed. And then once it's done, sometimes it's 600 megabytes, so it will take some time. And then once it's downloaded, you need to install it. This part is completely up to your computer. If you have faster one, it will take less time. If you have slower one, obviously it's gonna take more. Once it's done, all you have to do is in a moment start the Ldplayer and log in into your Google Play account. So obviously this is gonna take some time, and then go to home button and click Play Store. Here we have to sign in, give them or address your account or Gmail account, and that's pretty much it. Once you log in into the Ldplayer, the next step would be the Ldplayer itself. I already have Travel Center Tycoon installed, just to make this video a bit shorter. But what we have to do is search in games, and then write down Travel Center, for example, and press enter. And here it is. We're gonna click here. Obviously I have open because I already installed it, but you will have install option. Once it's installed, you will click open, and the next step is pretty easy. You can play it on your computer. All you have to do is wait a bit, and if this is the first game that you are playing on Ldplayer, sometimes you need to restart the Ldplayer, and every single other game will just go smoothly. It's just the first installation, and it's pretty easy to do. Now all you have to do is wait until it boots up. You don't have to log in, and you see we are already logging in. We can even wait that I did everything correctly. So yep, here we are, and we can enjoy the game. Thank you guys for watching, and see you in the next one. Have a great day, and goodbye.